Important thing, Gutesa was able to connect the dots from Saldico to Martin Romualdez. Surprised this is happening. Are they trying to create a mountain out of a molehill?
Di ba ho, and I agree with this, and other legal luminaries have also agreed that, notwithstanding the fact that the signature was of the lawyer, notary public, was allegedly forged, he already sworn in before the Senate, di ba? So,
Yes, he did.
Kaya, didn't that cure whatever defect there was in the preparation of the affidavit or the notarization of the affidavit?
I think so, because the guy presented himself before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
Correct.
He took his oath, and then he allowed himself to be interpellated by the entire committee.
But, Senator,
But let's get back to the allegedly...
I was
What is that?
Repercussions.
No, the notarized, the forged, whatever.
Forged document.
The signature of the notary public was allegedly forged.
Yes.
If we can at least waste our precious time discussing this, you will have to believe and assume that Gutesa has the power to go to one office, get the notarial stamp of whoever is notarizing there, secure the dry seal, and then look for the last entry of the book of the notarial register or the registry para makuha mo yung document number, the page number, and the book number, and then sasaynan ni Gutesa. Are we able to assume all this, that Gutesa has the capacity to do all this by himself? Ako, ang assumption ko dito, like the assumptions of many, if not all, pumunta ka sa isang lugar, let's say, the periphery of Quezon City Hall.
Correct.
Nandiyan naka-line up lahat ang ano. Somebody will go to each one of these. I-present niya yung paper. And then, all the guy would have to do is, bigay niya yung papel, then wait for a while, hanggang sa natataka na lahat yung papeles niya. And then he pays. No one would insist on, let's say, verifying bago siya umalis. Sir, ma'am, can I please ascertain whether you are the one who signed this? Are you the lawyer who signed this document? Yung po bang nagpapanotaryo had all these things to do bago siya umalis? The notary public in this country has become a cottage industry. Wala naman talagang lawyer doon eh. I have always assumed that somebody, like in the case of Gutesa, was there assigned by that lawyer, whoever she is or he is. Maring hindi siya ang pumirma, but she or he allowed somebody to sign for him or for her. This is happening everywhere. This is something that we should recognize.
So, totoo lang, kinagawian talaga dito yan eh.
Pagkatapos yung poor na tao, ang i-ostracize, and he will be discredited by... Paano why are we allowing, let's say, ourselves to be swayed into other direction? Gutesa is the most credible witness ever presented in that committee. Why? Gutesa has nothing to gain. Gutesa has everything to lose, including his life, and the safety and the security of his family. But the most important thing, Gutesa was able to connect the dots from Saldico to Martin Romualdez.
And that's the reason why there is pressure also now in the Senate to issue an invite to the House to ask former Speaker Martin Romualdez
and I welcome that.
Appear. So
all the while I've been thinking that that is the most proper thing for the Blue Ribbon Committee to do.